Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the NCB mobile app review to see with what you use it. So let's quickly dive into it. The NCB mobile app offers a solid range of mobile banking features like account balance viewing, transfer, bills pay, card management, all wrapped in a clean interface and praised by many users for ease of use and convenience from the app. However, the app is not without issues. Users frequently report login problem, transaction hiccup, especially with new update, and occasional lack of support when things go wrong from the customer service. So in my conclusion, the NCB mobile app is still worth using only if you bank with NCB and you want a straightforward mobile access to your finance. Just be aware that it may require a bit of patience when it comes to reliability from the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.